If you love DIY projects, gardening, welding, or saving big money, this $10 gardening trellis build is for you. Stay tuned.
Scroll away, don't scroll away. I'm going to show you how to make this trellis for $10.
From the squeak of the hinges to the roar of the drive, Bob and Nick keep the world alive.
Alright, we're going to use some 3/8" rebar. And I want to make a bend. So we need to get a consistent bend. I got some extra, so we're going to see what happens here. These, got two of them pretty much bent. We're going to cut these off. I'm going to weld them up and then cut them off. But we're going to get the spacing here. And I started off 10 foot here. So we're going to hook them together. Try to get them somewhat even. Weld them and probably cut it off with cutoff. But let's get measured across there and cut a couple pieces cross supports. We're at 23 3/4. So 23 3/4. Let's cut 4 of them at 23 3/4. And we'll clamp this up, weld it up. Okay.
Bob got a heart, he's a fixin'.
We're going to cut the first one, then we're going to use it to mark the rest of them. It doesn't have to be accurate. I mean, we don't want it 4 inches off, but a couple 1/4 inch or so. And this plants ain't going to care. So plug your ears. And wear safety glasses. Don't be like me. I should grab a pair. I got my contacts in, so I think I will grab a pair of glasses.
With Nick by his side, they've got a plan. From a busted car to a cracked phone screen, they're turning wrenches, living the dream. Garden tools and a leaky sink, a computer crash or a car on the brink. No job too big, no task too small. Technology Bob showing us all. Click that button, give it a go.
Try to tack this together here and see what happens.
Watch them work on what you know. Building dreams one fix at a time. On technology Bob, they're doing just fine. They weld and wire, hammer and nail. Spruce up the garden or fix a derail. Nick's got a laugh and Bob's got a grip. Together they're making treasure from bits. Oh, trucks smoking PC's blue screen. Oh, washing machine that's busting at the seam.
Need to get a charger on that camera. What we do is we got the bottom piece welded on there. All right, and this is laid out at the top piece at 44, 11 inches in between them. We're going to tack this all up. All right, and we're going to see what else we need to do. We may not need to do anything else. Just clean it up and paint it. So let's get all this tacked up and welded up and
Tune in to their channel and you'll be hooked. Learning as they teach you what it took.
about this and the need for something in the middle. I mean, this looks fine. I mean, we polished that up a little bit and paint it black. It's gonna look fine, but I think that if we put some pieces in the middle there, I think it'll look better. So that's what we're gonna do.
From morning sun to the evening glow, behind every fix there's hard work to
We are going to go get the grinding wheel, grind the welds up, smooth it down, make sure there's no burrs, and paint it up. So we got the grinding wheel right there, but I just got to change the blade type thing. All right.
show. Bob and Nick,
This is the trellis we just made in the raw state. We're going to spray paint it black, and it's all painted up on one side. Oh, we just got to let it dry. Flip it over and paint the other side and take it out there. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm going to film it in place with the other camera. This one's getting shut off. Thank you. We are. Trellis is in place for the growing plant down there. So it didn't come out too bad. Step back, take a look. We'll take a picture of it when it gets plant gets up there and flowering, and you'll see. For $10. $10. 2 pieces of 3/8 rebar, 20 foot long. Cut them in half to get them home. There you go.